Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Slime Rancher. Now, of course in the last one I died. That was such a dumb thing of me. And we popped 2 Gordos, which was awesome. Today we're gonna open the Seeing Gate and get to the Quantum Slimes. Also going to go over to that little island and pop the crystal Gordo over there. I believe it's called. I believe it's Ash Island. Oh, we also got that unlocked. That's cool. We can do an achievement. I also, while I was doing some off-camera stuff, unlocked Moki Miles area and built this for an eventual slime type to go in here. If you guys have a specific slime type you guys want to go in here, please let me know down in the comment section. That would be interesting to see what combinations you guys come up with. As long as it's not like quantum something, because I would put the quantums in the this place, the grotto over here. Because those they teleport and I don't want them all over my ranch, possibly becoming tars and attacking my other slimes. Alright, so we got new stuff. That is awesome. So let's grab the plorts. We're gonna open the singing door first. I had collected the oh, if that shows up on screen I'll do something about it. My friend just messaged me because I got a new game recently. It's new to me. It's not exactly that new. It's Sea of Thieves. It's based off Pirates of the Caribbean, and I was interested in it. So if you guys think that would be fun for you guys to see me play with Dank Knighted, then let me know. And thank you, whoever is my 5th subscriber. Thank you so much. Man, I started this little journey with only 2. Now I have 5. It's slowly growing, but I don't care about how fast it grows. I don't care about how fast it grows. I'm glad some people actually watch my content. I always try to do the best I can, which, as being new to all this, isn't really that great, but I'm trying. Now that we have extended our stamina, it'll make it a lot easier. So we will have to go get some, I believe, rad slime plorts. Oh, I love the singing gate. I'm gonna be quiet so we can hear the singing gate in all its glory. I love the singing gate. The singing door. Oh, I keep talking. That's not good. Keep talking. Now, I wasn't exactly sure of this one. I thought it was either crystal or rock. We'll see. It's rock. Alright, now we just gotta get the rad slime, which that's easy. So we're gonna open this gate, go for a quick visit in there, and then we're actually going to see if I popped the Gordo to get to the quantum, or not quantum, the crystal slime area on that island. Oh, it's just down here. I just didn't want to, so we need, oh, ooh, what's in here? It's another sun one. I have a whole line of them I have to show you. And another fire. Okay, we got those last time I played, I thought. Okay, alright. I need the rad plorts. Thank you! Here, you guys can have an odd onion. Oh no. Save the slimes! Okay. Where are they at? There we go. Is that the only one? Oh. What's in here? Oh, another fire one. Man, you can't get some of the weird ones, like the ditto ones? The dittos started to grow on me. Oh, that was a lot of rad slimes. Okay. Alright, let's go open the magic door. Though I could, like, kind of speed run it and get there to the end of the sand and then have, like, the cutscene at the little end. It's not really the end to Slime Rancher, more of the end to the area you can explore. But we'll save that for another time. Maybe next episode. That'd be interesting. Also, I collected a few of the secret styles. So, if you saw in the beginning, I have Tiger. I have Tabby. Wait, is this all of them? No, wait. Wait, what? Oh wait, there's another statue somewhere, isn't there? Did I miss this? Oh, dang, I missed the statue. Must have. It's gotta be up there somewhere. What plort would it be? If I missed... Oh wait, Tabby! Oh my gosh! I forgot there's one up here. Just like hidden over here, isn't it? Yep, and that's Tabby, which we can just go over here to the moss blanket and go get one. It's not that hard to get a Tabby plort. Yeah, I got the tigers. Which, can you eat a chicken real quick, bud? Thank you. Oh, I picked you up, but you look cute, so I'm just gonna leave you there. Alright. So, and continuing my conversation about Sea of Thieves, I also got Among Us, and I've never really played Among Us on PC, and the first round I played, I got Imposter, and I sucked at it. So we're gonna try. Okay, now it's open. Let's go. I'm sorry, that was so cute. I had to stop talking entirely because I love that part. Yay! So we could do that. We did this, pop the crystal Largo, or Gordo. And then, since we opened this area, and then we can just maybe play around with some Quicksilvers? I might do that if I have enough time. Oh wait, there's the little light things in here too. I forgot those were a thing. Yes. The little echoes. I love the way they're called. I need to go back up there. The little echoes. Oh wait, there's more. I gotta get that gold echo. I'm gonna be collecting a lot of random items. Oh, I can't pick up green ones. Dang it. But I can pick up some red ones. So we're gonna pick up a few of these, travel in here a little bit. There's all the quantums. There's all the... Oh, we're gonna look at this. Okay, that's cool. I didn't read it all the way, but I'm not really interested in whoever that person is. So let's just go a little farther, look around. I want to see if there's any more of those boxes with the ornaments in it, because I like those. And they're usually more abundant on weekends. And for me, right now, it's the weekend, so. Oh! That would have been really bad if he had pushed me off and I had 2 ornaments plus 5 echoes. Oh, there's a Tabby! Sorry, I get easily distracted by Tabby slimes. Why is that? I just noticed that. You guys probably noticed that a lot faster than I did. Why is that icon even there? Let's go see. Let's go see. Because I remember in my other playthroughs, that wasn't there. Okay, and then we'll come back. We'll go through this teleporter over here. And then we'll come back and pop the crystal Gordo. Oh, it's basically my house. Why could I see that icon from so far away? Oh, and yeah. Yep. Just continuing what's going on here. Ignore my line of stuff. Okay, let's go to sleep. Harvest. Wait, I probably need a harvest first, right? Are you guys all good for a night? Nah, let's pick up these. And we're gonna go pop the crystal, which is odd onions are their favorite, but I'm trying to keep all my odd onions for these guys. Because if you feed them their favorite foods, they'll give you 2 times the plorts. And that's good for making money, so. Let's give. Alright. So these guys are all good? You all good, buds? Who's not 8? Or are you just guys all happy? You happy, sir? Yes. I love how the phosphors look, to be honest. Oh! I also need to pick up the plorts, but I'll do that tomorrow. Oh! Okay, thank you. Ooh, oh, why are you hungry? Oh, sweetie, have some food. Here we go. Have some more food. Are you guys all good? Why does it look like I have only 5 in here? That's a little weird. It looks like I only have 5. Might have to off camera go grab another one. Because it looks like I only have 5. Okay, let's go over here and go to sleep real quick. Which was very short because I decided to stay up extremely late. And yep, we're just gonna grab a whole ton of carrots and go feed that Gordo. Oh. Love when they make the cute cat noises. And once we pop the Gordo, we're gonna come back. We're gonna have 2 slime keys then. We're gonna come back and we're gonna do 1 round of that to finish off the episode. I believe. Yeah, I did pop the Gordo over here off camera. That is awesome. Yeah. Easy way in, easy way out. I'll try to make it easier to get to places so that I don't have to keep walking all the way back. So let us go over here. Of course, I believe I remember where this Gordo is. Hopefully I've already popped this Gordo. If not, we'll just head home, get some more heartbeats and do that. But I believe I did. Ooh. Okay, over here, down here. Yeah, I did. Yay. Less work for the episode. Okay. Alright, I believe. Oh, there's some crystals. Okay. I believe it's somewhere. Well, there's another box. We're gonna open that. Where is it? It's somewhere up there, I know, but I kind of forgot the route to get there. Oh, wait. Up here? Oh wait, yeah, I see him. There's some res. Now I remember over here, yeah, right here is like a vault. So once I unlock them, I'll show all the vaults in a video. Me going to them and opening them. Oh, wait, I hear the dreaded music. Where'd it go? It's not over here. Is it underneath? Because I think it's underneath because there's a hole. I know where the Gordo sits. So we're just gonna feed this guy and ignore the angry noises down below. Real quick. Oh, wait, what? Okay, no, I'm hearing the noise from down below, so. We're just gonna make this guy happy and then, oh. So all my boxes opened and there's a tar. Oh, I absolutely missed that guy. Oh wait, these are like the resources. Honeycomb and stuff, okay. I do not have room for you. I do not. Okay. Okay, it dropped the slime key and then dropped these resources, which I haven't even opened that area of my place yet, so. Oh, where am I going? I got turned around. Hexacomb. All that nice stuff. I am hopefully not gonna kill myself again. That would not be fun with the nice resources I have just gotten. Let's pick up a little bit of water. And just to round out this episode, I don't know how long this is gonna be. Probably a little shorter than the usual ones, which hopefully is not too bad for y'all. And maybe in the few days I'll post a Sea of Thieves one. So we're gonna actually put these in the silo real quick so I don't lose them like I've done before with items. More specifically, died with items. Okay, that's a Rockport. So let's go play a round of racing with some not quantums, quicksilvers. Let us answer this real quick. You finally decided to show up. Yeah, it actually took a little bit because I've been busy. Imagine getting a mod. There's actually a mod where you can farm quicksilvers, which is a lot easier than what Moki puts it out to be if you use the mod. We're just gonna kind of skip Moki's dialogue because I've played this before. Oh, it's the cool 3-shot one. Which one? We're gonna do this one real quick. Get to work. None? I know somewhere in here. Okay. Do I just walk over him? Okay, yeah. Sparkshots. We're just gonna collect a little bit. There's a big one up there. What are you? Thunderclap. I am really bad at this. Okay. I don't think I'm doing too bad for really my first time doing it. More thunderclaps. Oh, I forgot to do it like this. We're gonna actually see how many slimes. I probably wasted that thunderclap, but that's okay. Oh my gosh, I should have saved the thunderclap for just that moment. Look how many slimes. Why do I keep calling them quantum? Another thunderclap. Oh, it's 5 seconds left. Okay. I don't think I did too bad. Is 84 bad? I don't think getting 84 is that bad, but could be. Let's make... I see secret styles, so we're gonna go pop this real quick and then see how much Moki thinks is good. Boomerang! Yay! Okay. Wait, do I have to do... I have to do the whole circuit. 1 second. Let's go round. Okay, after I deliver the plorts to her, we're gonna finish that off, and that will be the end of the episode. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Wait, did I just do a random huge circle for nothing? I think I did. Oops. Okay, we're gonna give this to her. Okay, requires 150. Not bad. Alright, that gave us a decent amount of money. And we're gonna head back home. And we are gonna finish off I'm gonna finish off the episode here. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed this episode and enjoy the series. If you prefer me not doing the series anymore, let me know in the comments. Okay, if you prefer me to do Minecraft or start to do Among Us even, or Sea of Thieves, just let me know. Alright, see y'all in the next video.